Hello everybody, welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we're going to start unit number 2 of the year, but in the book is unit number 8. The unit is called Dance to the Music, okay? And the objective of today's lesson is to identify specific and general information of a text, okay? So let's start with the lesson. So the name of the unit is Dance to the Music, okay? And remember that in the book is unit number 8, but for us is unit number 2, okay? Look at these pictures. What can you see? In this case, there is an instrument, right? Here is another instrument. And there are some people playing music too. And a woman singing, right? Okay, so let's start with activity number 1. Match the words in the list with the photos. Write 1 to 5 in the boxes. The words are the next ones. 1, a concert. 2, a musician. 3, a singer. 4, a trumpet. And 5, a violin. Okay, so now I need that you stop the video and put the numbers next to the letters to match the pictures with the words. Did you finish? Okay, so let's take number 1. This is the example. Number 1, a concert, letter C. Yes, because this is a concert, right? Number 2, a musician. What do you think? Letter A, correct, letter A. Number 3, a singer. What do you think? Letter D, very good, she is a singer. Number 4, a trumpet. What do you think? Letter E, excellent. And number 5, the last one, a violin. Letter B, very good. Okay, let's continue with activity number 2. Look at the photos on page 75. They show a concert. Where is it? Let's look at the photos then. This is a concert, right? And where are they? Let's go back to page number 74. In a train station? In a concert hall? In a supermarket? Or in a school? Stop the video and choose the correct alternative. Did you finish? Okay, so the correct answer is in a supermarket. Very good. Ellos están en un supermercado. Correct. Okay, so now we're going to read the text of page number 75. This is the text, okay? And the title of the text is Music in Supermarket. This text is a little bit different because if you can see there, they are only tweets. Do you know Twitter? Yes. Twitter is a social network where you can write your opinion about a topic or anything you want. Chicos, Twitter entonces es una red social donde las personas pueden escribir sus opiniones sobre un tema o en realidad lo que ellos quieran, ¿ok? La particularidad de Twitter es que los textos son pequeños, son cortos. And in this case, Alex Smith is tweeting. And look at the times. 9:44, 9:47, 9:48, 9:49, 9:50, 9:51, 9:53, 9:55, okay? So let's start with the reading. 9:44, Saturday a.m. in the supermarket with mom. We're doing some shopping. Boring. People are walking around. I'm listening to music on my phone. So in this case, Alex is describing what is he doing at the moment. Shopping in the supermarket with his mom, etc. 9:47. Hey, something is happening. A woman is sitting on a chair and she's playing a violin. What's this? It's a flash mob in the supermarket. Okay. 9:48. Wow, this is fantastic. Now about 10 men and women are standing here and they're playing music on violins and trumpets and things. 9:49. I'm looking at the other people in the supermarket. They are surprised, but they like the music. They aren't thinking about food now. 9:50. Now, four people are singing. They're giving a concert, but they aren't wearing special clothes. Why is this happening? I don't know. 9:51. Mom says that the music is Handel. She isn't shopping now. She's standing with me and we're listening. We're listening. I'm not bored now. 9:53. Lots of people are taking out their phones and recording the concert. Other people are tweeting like me. And a little girl is dancing. And finally, 9:55. Okay, it's over. All the people here are smiling and talking about the music. Their musicians and singers are leaving. What a great morning. Okay, so Alex described all the things that happened in the supermarket. So now please let's go back on page number 74, activity 4. Read and listen to the tweets. Answer the questions. Okay, so now you have to answer these questions about the text on page number 75. The example is number 0. How does Alex feel at 9:44? The answer is bored. Okay, so now let's read the questions together and then you have to do the activity. Number 1. How many musicians are playing at 9:48? How many musicians? ¿Cuántos músicos are playing at 9:48? Number 2. How do the people in the supermarket feel at 9:49? Number 3. How many people are singing in the concert at 9:50? Number 4. How does Alex feel at 9:51? And number 5. What are the musicians doing at 9:55? Es un poco más sencilla esta actividad de responder, chiquillos, porque aparece la hora, ¿cierto? Y el texto de la página de al lado está hecho con horas, porque son tweets, ¿cierto? De Alex, hora por hora, o minuto tras minuto en realidad. So now, please, you have to stop the video and do the activity. Did you finish? Great. So let's check now. Number 1, how many musicians are playing at 9:48? The answer is 10 men and women are playing. 10. Number 2, how do the people in the supermarket feel at 9:49? The answer is they feel surprised. Number 3, how many people are singing in the concert at 9:50? The answer is 4 people. Number 4. How does Alex feel at 9:51? The answer is he doesn't feel bored anymore. And number 5, the last one. What are the musicians doing at 9:55? The answer is they are leaving. Okay, very good. Okay, so now I need that you please open your workbooks on page number 76. Okay, and we're going to do activity number 1, which is related to the text of Alex Smith. Okay, let's read the instruction. Answer the questions, then look at the tweets on page 75 of the student's book and check your answers. Entonces, esta actividad, niños, está relacionada directamente con el texto que acabamos de leer de los tweets y de Alex Smith. Okay? So, the idea is that you answer the questions. The example is, what are Alex and his mom doing? The answer is, they are shopping. Number 1, what is he listening to? Number 2, a woman is sitting on a chair. What instrument is she playing? Number 3, is the woman alone at 9:48? Number 4, do the people in the supermarket like the music? Number 5, what are people using to record the concert? Number 6, how many girls are dancing? And number 7, who is leaving the supermarket? Pay attention on the times, okay? Pongan atención a las horas, chicos, porque ahí están las respuestas. Okay, so stop the video now, please, and answer the questions. Did you finish? Excellent. So let's check then. Number 1, what is he listening to? The answer is music. He's listening to music. Number 2, a woman is sitting on a chair. What instrument is she playing? The answer is the violin. She's playing the violin. Number 3, is the woman alone? The answer is no, there are 10 musicians. Number 4, do the people in the supermarket like the music? The answer is yes, they do. Number 5, what are people using to record the concert? The answer is their phones. They are using their phones to record the concert. Number 6, how many girls are dancing? The answer is 1. Only 1 girl is dancing. And number 7, who's leaving the supermarket? The answer is the musicians. The musicians are leaving. Okay? Very good. And finally, this is the homework that you have to do this week. You have to continue on page number 76 of the workbook, okay? And you have to do activity number 2 and 3. So this is the homework. Read this dialogue from a TV program. How many places does Stella visit in the studios? So you have to read the text quickly. Deben leer el texto rápido and answer the question, how many places does Stella visit in the studios? ¿Cuántos lugares Estela visita en los estudios? And then you have to do activity number 3. Read the dialogue again and mark the sentences T, true, or F, false. And you have to correct the false statements. So here we have different sentences and you have to say, oh, this is false or oh, this is true. And if the answer is false, you have to correct the sentence, okay? Very good. And that is the end of today's lesson. Remember to do your homework, that's really important, okay? And remember that this week we're going to have our first online lesson by Zoom, okay? So I hope to see you there this Friday, remember, at 3:30. A las 3:30 tenemos nuestra primera clase en línea, niños, por Zoom, por la plataforma de Zoom. Yo les dejaré la invitación el día jueves en el tablón principal de Classroom y ustedes deben hacer clic y ingresar en el horario que se les indica, que es a las 3:30 este viernes, ¿ok? See you next lesson. Bye!